Not all LED lights are created equal, especially when it comes to different rooms in your home. From relaxing bedrooms to bright kitchens and focused workspaces, today we're giving you the ultimate guide to choosing the right LED for every space in your home. Bedroom lighting, recommended color temperature 2700 to 3000 Kelvin, warm white. Y promotes relaxation, cozy ambiance. CRI 80 plus is fine unless makeup heat dressing area requires more. Tips: use dimmable lights. Consider soft ambient plus reading task light. Optional: use smart bulbs for adjustable mood lighting. Your bedroom should feel warm and calming. Avoid harsh, cool whites here. Kitchen lighting, recommended color temp 3500 to 4000 Kelvin, neutral white. Y clarity for cooking, reading labels, food prep. CRI 90 plus ideal to show true food colors and surfaces. Tips: combine overhead ambient plus under cabinet task lighting. Avoid yellow lights as they distort food colors. Neutral white gives the kitchen a clean, modern feel, while CRI helps you see colors accurately. Workspace/home office recommended color. Temp 4000 to 5000 Kelvin, cool white to daylight. Y boosts focus, alertness, and productivity. CRI 90 plus for design work, color sensitive tasks. Tips: use flicker free lights to reduce eye strain. Bonus: adjustable desk lamp with color control is great for long hours. Lighting directly affects focus. Go for cool tones with high CRI and glare free design.